So much to learn about, it'll make you want to shout, Blippi!
Hey! Whoa, look at what it is! It's a bulldozer! Are you ready to learn about bulldozers with me? Yeah! Let's go! Now it's time to operate the bulldozer! Woo! Come on! Whoa, whoa, whoa! Not so fast! Before we operate the bulldozer, we need our safety equipment. Whoa! Look! I have my hard hat on. Yeah! And my safety vest. Ooh! Orange and yellow. Now we're ready. Come on! Was a big bulldozer push. What is this? This looks like a vacuum from the 1600s. And it's in our way. So I think we should bulldoze the vacuum. Are you ready to learn about the parts of the bulldozer with me? Yeah, let's go! Let's go to the front. Whoa, wow, this right here is the blade. And the blade is used to push anything and everything out of its way. Whoa! Do you see up there? Those are the sweeps. And when the blade pushes large trees out of its way, if the tree falls down, it won't hit the driver in the cab. The cab! Whoa! Up there is the cab. Yeah, that's where the driver and the operator sits. That's so cool. Whoa, and look at these. Wow, these are the tracks. Whoa, the tracks are really useful for going over mud, dirt, rocks, debris, anything, and it won't even get stuck. Oh, and look at this compartment. Whoa, this compartment, yeah, is full of the hydraulics. It powers the blade, the tracks, and the scratchy-mabobs. Oh, come here! I love the scratchy-mabobs. Yeah, these, also known as the Ripper, rips up anything and everything on the ground, so it makes it nice and soft for the bulldozer. And another compartment. Whoa. This compartment is the electrical compartment, and it has 2 batteries because this machine is so big. Oh, and I almost forgot, the engine. Come over here. Wow, that engine is so massive. And this machine is so cool. Hey, I was just doing the dozer dance. Will you do the dozer dance with me? Yeah, I'll teach you. Okay, first you raise up your hands and your arms and act like you have a bulldozer blade, like this. Okay, and then you move your feet like the bulldozer tracks. So it looks like this. Good job! Okay, I have a really fun game. We'll do the dozer dance when we hear the music, but when you don't hear music and it stops, you need to freeze. Yeah, okay? Are you ready? Okay.
Listen.
Hold your arms out, march in place. Left foot, right foot, keep the pace. Move your arms up and down. Crouch and crouch down to the ground. Turn your hands. Bulldozer.
Bulldozer dance.
We're dancing like a bulldozer.
Bulldozer dance.
We're dancing like a bulldozer. Bulldozer dance. Stand up tall, on 2 feet, from side to side, bounce to the beat. Raise your left knee, raise your right, raise your arms and raise them high. Bulldozer.
Bulldozer dance.
Bulldozer.
Bulldozer dance.
We're dancing like a bulldozer.
Bulldozer dance.
We're dancing like a bulldozer.
Bulldozer dance.
We're dancing like a bulldozer. Dancing like a bulldozer.
Bulldozer dance.
It's a bulldozer dance.
Whoa! We are inside the bulldozer. Before we operate the bulldozer, we need, our seatbelt on. Okay, let's buckle that in. Okay, there we go. Oh, and look at this. Wow, this is the instrument cluster. See? The lights, the windshield wipers, and the key. And once you turn it on, then from there, the bulldozer has power! And right here, this joystick, whoa! When you push forward, it goes forward. Backward, you reverse, left, and go right! Wow! And this joystick over here, whoa! This operates the blade. So, left, right, down, and up! Ooh. And this operates the ripper. Wow. Whoa. Whoa. What I'm doing here is bulldozing down some old dead trees. So then it'll make some room so we can plant some new ones.
Yeah! Did you see that? Yeah! I love bulldozers!
are such amazing pieces of machinery. Now it's time for the bulldozer song.
Bulldozer, clearing the land. Bulldozer, pushing rubble and sand. Bulldozer, constructing the roads. Move over, it's about to roll. It's a yellow tracked machine, found on mines, farms, and factories. It can push most anything. Bulldozer stirring up debris. Bulldozers help the farmers work by breaking up rocks and digging in the dirt. With the blade on the front and a claw on the back, it can help you build a home just like that. Whoa, it's on a roll. Bulldozer. And they can move through some rough terrain. They can move all kinds of things. Bulldozer, clearing the land. Bulldozer, pushing rubble and sand. Bulldozer, constructing the roads. Move over, it's about to roll. Bulldozer, clearing the land. Bulldozer, pushing rubble and sand. Bulldozer, constructing the roads. Move over, it's about to roll. Roll on, bulldozer.
Better move over, here comes the bulldozer.
It's a yellow machine. Roll on, bulldozer.
Better move over, here comes the bulldozer.
It's a yellow machine.
Woohoo! Woohoo! That was so much fun learning about bulldozers with you. Well, you gotta keep on keeping on. Life's a garden. Dig it. You just gotta make it work for you. So, anywho, if you wanna watch more of my videos, you know what to do, right? Yeah, just search for my name. Blippi. Blippi. Good job. All right, see you later.
Come on everyone, let's make learning fun. So much to learn about, it'll make you wanna shout.